Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today is the beginning of a new challenge I put out to you. So January 2020 just started recently and I feel like this is the perfect time to start a new challenge. Because of this, I created the newbie niche site month. So the newbie niche site month is a new challenge that you will allow you to create your first niche website, which will create you passive income. So the challenge is helping people that are new to niche website creation, and it will allow them to start their first website. So what it is, basically, I will be sending out one email per week for 3 weeks, which emails will contain a list of 10 domains each. So 10 niche domains that are perfect for Amazon affiliate website creation. So each email I will send out to my newsletter list will contain 10 domain names that are that which names will contain some niche specific keywords, which help tremendously when you create niche websites. So as you can see, each email will contain 10 domains, a list of 10 domains. Also, these domains will help you get more traffic more easily to your websites because they have already between 1 and 2,000 exact searches. So these domains contain keywords that have exact searches on Google, for example, and Google will send you very quickly traffic because of this. And they are perfect to use with the Amazomatic plugin I created. So the Amazomatic plugin will be able to create niche related content to these websites and link to Amazon products with affiliate links. Also, you can reserve these domains. These domains are free right now and you can reserve them as soon as you check them. So when you will get these emails, you will be able to reserve these domains instantly, for example, because they should be free. Okay, so the goal of this challenge is to help people that have never built a niche website and start up their niche website business. So yeah, you should start small and achieve greatness by time, and you should earn $5 to $10 per website per month at the beginning, and later on you can increase this to 100 and even more dollars per month per website. So each domain will be .com, .net or .org, and you can sign up here. So you will find this post, which is from my blog, linked in this video's description, so you can go ahead and click on it and check it and sign up for my newsletter to get also these emails which contain the niche website list. So if you want to get the full list is also available if you subscribe to my member part of this website. So my website also has the member part, which will allow you to check the full list instantly because I added the full list in a member only post already, and you will be able to check it here. So if you click here, you will have instant access to the full list, but remember, this is only a member only post. So the membership costs $6 per month, so it is a really affordable membership to have. But keep in mind, you can get it also for free if you subscribe to my newsletter, and I will be sending out the emails in the upcoming weeks. Okay, so this is all for this announcement. I hope that you will enjoy this new challenge and it will boot you up in starting your niche website business and start earning affiliate marketing income, which is also passive income. So yeah, until next time, Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates, news, and similar announcements. Also, when I release new plugins, I will create videos on this channel to bring out the news to people. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, stay awesome. Bye bye.